Okay, guys, now we are back. We are live now. Thanks for waiting. I have to keep on setting their Instagram, the YouTube channel. I have to keep on doing some settings right there. So I'm just gonna start the analysis right now. So, okay. So let's get in. Okay. So are you guys right there? If you are right there, if you can see my screen, I just want you to comment on the box. Give a comment. You can see my screen. Give a comment. Give a comment. I want you guys to give a comment. I'm gonna give a comment right now so I can know you guys can see me, can see my screen. So hello everyone. If you're right there, please comment so I can know you guys you can see me. Okay. So I'm just gonna try to put my cam on right now. Gotta put my cam on. Okay. Try to put my cam on. Okay. Okay, good. Now you guys can see me right here. So my cam is on right here. Okay, good. So we are good to go. We are good to go. So what I'm going to be showing you guys today on the daily life analysis is the currency pairs I have on my watch list. I got the British pound sterling against the USD. I got the euro against the USD, and I have the USD again. I'm going to show you the USD Canada. Yes, I got the USD Canada on my watch list. Let's check on the USD yen as well. Here is some analysis I'm going to give to you guys on the USD yen. So I'm going to show you guys what I can figure out right here. And I'm going to give analysis as well on the gold. On gold, what can I figure out on gold? What's actually going on gold? So let's quickly just dive in right here on the British pound sterling against the USD. There's the British pound sterling against the USD. Like I said yesterday, I told you guys, I said I can figure out an inverse head and shoulder. An inverse head and shoulder right here. It was a left shoulder without the head right there and then the right shoulder right there. And I said I am not interested to long this currency pairs right there. I am not interested to buy. For the fact I have no trend line, no dynamic resistance right there. And if I want to take this trade right here, where I'm gonna guard my stop loss right here, and then whereby my take profit goes above right here. So at this one right here, I don't have enough room for my two risk reward ratio trades to work out. So this is why I don't want to long this currency pairs right here, whereby I have to shift my attention to other currency pairs. So right now we can see the both are actually having difficulty to move price. This was actually what happened right yesterday. We have this massive rally or projection bar right there, and price is this consolidating around this zone here. So it's still in a state of consolidation right here. And then let's figure out the euro as well. Yesterday I pointed this out. If you attended that was my free forex trading class, I discussed about the euro against the USD, and I said I can actually figure out I can figure out right here a potential support right here, which can serve as an hindrance for price to make a rally up. You can see right here. I'm gonna use this box right here to identify this one right there. You can see right here, this was actually a support, which whereby I pointed out. I said this zone right here can act as as an hindrance zone if you want to shut down, and as well we have a dynamic support line right here, which price actually broke right now. And then we have a resistance right there. Remember this resistance zone right here, which rejected price in a downward trend right down here and in a downward trend. And then again right here in the what I'm looking out for at this zone is, can this zone right here act as a resistance to make a reversal of this trend downward? So that is what I'm looking at now. And for the fact price is definitely approaching, is the fact at a resistance zone. So at this zone right here now, I am not looking to buy because price is at a key level structure right now at the resistance zone. So this is time now to watch what the bulls and the bears have got to get done right there. And for the fact we have I'm gonna zoom in right here. You can see how this market has been in a rally downward. Gonna use check this. Okay, you can see this rally downward of this trend. You can see that choppy right here. We have a breakout at this zone. So what am I looking out for on this currency? Yes, right here. What am I looking for? So I want to see if price can break this zone out right here. If price can break out right there, then we have a retest because we have a dynamic, a key level structure right there, which we have to be very careful of. There's a key level structure right there, and we can see how the zone had been rejecting price downward, So what I'm looking out for now is if price actually gonna make a rotation of reversal of trend downward right there. So let's figure out. Remember, take note, we have a dynamic resistance trend line right here, which price broke currently. That was, I think that was some hours ago. That was 4 hours ago. Price broke this region right here now, and then price is actually for this zone. Price is actually trying to retest our key level resistance zone right here. Okay, so what I'm looking at for now is price gonna break out, make a retest before we long right there. So that is what I am looking at for at this zone here. So if you wanna actually buy the euro against the USD, it is not yet the right time for you to buy because currently right now price is at a potential very strong resistance level. So you have to be very, very careful so you don't just get into a bullish trap. So the best way to trade the euro right now, if we can figure out a break out of this zone right there, make a retest right there, look out for a strong bullish price action to aim higher for the next swings right there. But take note of these swings high right, which lies right here. So this zone as well, which lies at the intersection of the 1.11580 can serve as an hindrance to your trade decision right there. So you have to make sure any position you want to execute right there must be a very small size for the fact we have a swing and high right there. But the major key resistance comes in the 1.12384. Okay, so good. And next, I'm going to show you guys that is on the USD Canada. The USD Canada, I discussed this in the class yesterday. If you attended the class, I said for the fact price, you can see our price was low. Price fluctuation through this medium right here. This is it. And then price carved a potential bearish channel. This is the bearish channel right here, and then we can see our price have been bouncing respecting this channel upward, respecting, even though we have a head and shoulder right here, price failed to retest this zone right here, and then we can see our price retested right here, This was the first, the second time, and then at this zone right here we have the first, and then this zone right here we have the second time, the push retested this zone, and then right here we have the fourth time, and then again right here this is the fifth time. So we have a potential support which lies at this structure right here. You can see the support right here, and the price is currently bouncing through this medium. So what I can figure out right here now is price is actually trying to carve or descending triangle. I'm going to show you guys on the chart on the whiteboard. So this is what I'm figuring out now on the chart of the USD against the Canadian dollar. So whereby price is fluctuating through this medium. Okay, so in the descending triangle, price have high tendency to make a break to the downward side, but that doesn't mean there is assurance, there is great assurance, high evidence or that price is actually going to break down right there. So what we need to look out for as a trader, what are we going to look out for right here? For the fact we have price at the support right there, it's not yet the time for you for those who want to sell. And then for the fact we have another key level structure to watch out for right here, which acts as a 1.37 936. You can see this zone right here, support level right here. This actual support level, no, is from the daily chart. I'm gonna show you guys how I got this right here. Okay, I think this is from the week. Let's check the weekly chart. Okay, this chart is from this key support level right here, which acts as 1.37936. It's from the weekly chart, and I try to catch the swings right here. I'm gonna show you the swings I try to catch from these swings of this zone right here. So I drew the key level structure right here. So this is the zone right here. You can see now price is eventually trying to move closer to this zone. So for those who want to short the USD Canada, they have to be very, very, very careful. In fact, what I'm seeing right here now is price is still fluctuating through this bearish channel. Price is still fluctuating, price is still moving up and down. So you got to be very, very careful if you want to short the USD Canada right down here. Okay. So which other currency I have on my watch list? Okay, let's check the USD yen, the USD Japanese yen. This is the USD yen right now. And then I have a resistance right here. This is a resistance zone. Got a resistance. Okay. You can see our price is making a reversal downward right now, whereby we have a swing right here. So this zone right here now is still holding price at this zone, still holding price upward. So if you are selling right here, you have to make sure you try to move your stop loss to avoid break even on the USD against the Japanese yen. Okay. And which other currency pairs, again, let's check the other currency pairs. The USD Canada as well is fluctuating through a symmetrical triangle. I'm gonna show you guys right here. There's it. You can figure out how price is moving through this channel, up, down. You can see. So what am I looking at? What can I figure out at this zone right here? You can see our price is definitely clustering to this zone, and then price is approaching this apex right here now. So what price is actually trying to do now is to try to retest this dynamic support again for the third time. This was the first time right here. We got the second time right here. Okay, this was the first time right here, and right now this is the third time approaching. Okay, and then at the top we have right here. We got it right here, right here, right here, right here, continuous retest. You can see. So and then again, let's check the daily chart. Here's the daily chart. You can see a symmetrical triangle. So in a symmetrical triangle, where we have this kind of formation like this, there are two things which can happen. Price can either break to the upside or to the downside. So you got to be very, very careful right here. Any trading decision you want to take right here, if you want to buy, if you want to sell, you got to be very, very careful. Okay. So I'm going to share other currency pairs as well. The Australian against the USD is at a resistance zone. It's at a peak. I see whereby resistance comes in. At a key level structure of 0.66710. See right here, resistance comes in right here, and whereby price is actually making a retest of the previous swings high right here. So let's zoom in. Okay, zooming in right now, you can see this first swing right here, the second swing right here, and price now is at the swings again. And take note of the resistance levels which act right here. Okay, so I still see a very strong continuation pattern on the Australian against the USD, and I'm still favoring a bullish rally upward. So let's quickly go on the Aussie dollar. So what is going on the Aussie dollar? On the Aussie dollar right here, you can see price actually broke out of a symmetrical triangle in an upward trend in a bullish rally. So what are we expecting on the gold? For the fact we had an upward rally, there's an inverse head and shoulder which supported this massive rally upward. And then when price got right here, price did what? Price carved a symmetrical triangle. And then in a symmetrical triangle in an upward trend, price have high tendency to make a break to the upside. And then which price did right now? Price made a breakout, and then price actually is having a retest of this our dynamic resistance area, whereby we have something like this. Price broke out. Now price is retesting this resistance zone right here. Okay, so what I'm looking out for, if price can make a breakout, make a retest with a bullish price action, then we can go long right here on the Aussie dollar against the USD. So that is a quick analysis I just want to show you guys. I want to know so that you guys can grab that, can make use of that in your trading decision. And if you guys have any other, you guys have question, you can just send it to me on my Telegram, or on my WhatsApp line. You can send it up to me so I can give answers to your questions. Okay, so that is all I have for you guys, and then do have a wonderful day. Make sure you trade well. Okay, bye.